Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Let's analyze tomorrow's markets and understand where support and resistance is for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Starting off with Nifty first, after Friday's rally, we got to see another gap up opening, another huge gap up opening of around 1% in Nifty, followed by a 100-point fall. But if you look carefully, if someone had entered below this candle low, were immediately trapped and we got to see Nifty recover as well. Then throughout the mid of the trading session, Nifty was range bound for a while until in the last 45 minutes, we got to see a breakout where Nifty gave a closing around 22,100. If you move on to Nifty's OI, now 22,000 was a resistance after Friday's session, and now we can clearly analyze that 22,000 there is huge amount of put writing, and this will be a new round level support and OI support. On the downside, all the 50-point levels are looking like major supports, or anywhere, if even if Nifty gives a gap down opening and comes below 22,000, all these levels could act like support, right? Nifty could take support anywhere in between these levels. On the higher side, 22,200 and 22,300 are looking like a minor to major supports in Nifty. If we come back to our charts, if Nifty opens somewhere between this range and sustains here and then gives a breakout, then we could see it rally for another 100 points till 22,200, which is our OI resistance as well. But on the downside, even if Nifty gives a gap down opening or opens flat and gives a breakdown, even if there is a strong candle that has been formed, right? Even if there is a strong candle that has been formed in this level or around this range, we may not get to see a continuation because there are a lot of supports that have been formed and there are a lot of OI supports and huge amount of put writing that are supporting Nifty, right? Whoever missed in this rally, even though there was a fall, right, they would try to enter somewhere in this range, and there is a 22,000 round level as well. As soon as we see a breakdown of this range, then there is a immediate support here, and even if we see a breakdown of this range as well, then Nifty can take support at this gap that Nifty has left in today's trading session, right? So I wouldn't recommend someone trading in these areas or anyone for that matter, because there are huge amount of put writing that says that these will act like major supports. But on the higher side, if Nifty gives a gap up opening somewhere around 22,200 or 160, we could see some amount of profit booking where Nifty could come down, take support somewhere around this area or even till 2280. Then we may get to see another rally. Since it's clear that from past few trading sessions that Nifty's trend has changed and Nifty is very bullish, and it's been rallying more than 1% every session since past 2 or 3 trading sessions. Similarly, if you look at Bank Nifty too rallied today, even though it had not rallied much on the Friday session. Bank Nifty too gave a gap up opening where it rallied more than 200-300 points. But immediately after the first two candles, we got to see a huge amount of profit booking or SL hunting that has happened. Bank Nifty tried to give a gap closing, but again, along with Nifty, Bank Nifty too took support, and somewhere around this resistance level, Bank Nifty made its new support level, and Bank Nifty rallied till its resistance at 48,200, where somewhere around the same level, Bank Nifty has given its closing. If you look at Bank Nifty's OI and analyze it, Bank Nifty's OI is not that much bullish as compared to Nifty, where we can see at 48,000 there are still good amount of call writing that is uh, available, and writers are still sitting strong even though Bank Nifty has rallied 200 points further. On the downside, 47,500, and even though there are good amount of call writers here, 48,000 may still act like a support for Bank Nifty. On the higher side, 48,200 where Bank Nifty has given closing, there is a minor resistance where we can see there are put writers shorting or writing contracts in this level. 48,500, a major resistance for Bank Nifty. If we come back to the chart, if Bank Nifty opens somewhere between this range, right? Somewhere between this range, we could see it sustain for a while or become volatile for a while, then give a breakout till its next resistance at 48,400 and 48,500. Somewhere around this range, we could see Bank Nifty taking up major resistance. On the downside, if Bank Nifty gives a breakdown, then there is a support at 48,000, a round level support, where Bank Nifty and Nifty, even if they give a candle closing, we may not see it. Even if it's a major bearish candle closing, we may not see a continuation candle following it. And there are multiple supports in Bank Nifty as well, as we saw in Nifty. But if Bank Nifty gives a gap up opening, somewhere around the same range, we can see this level, this range to become volatile, because there is a resistance and this is a major resistance. And we saw that 48,000, there are good amount of call riders still. They may square off their position. If they are still sitting strong, then this range also could be volatile, where some candles like the morning first three candles of today's trading session, somewhat like this we can see it forming in tomorrow's trading session. So this will be our analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you.